Okay, so if we take a closer look at the dissolved load, the dissolved load is the load of sediment that is in solution, so it's invisible, you can't see it. And most of that is brought to the stream by groundwater. So as a stream flows, any water that comes in from the banks of the stream, and not from the precipitation, but from the groundwater table, is groundwater. And as that groundwater flows through the subsurface, it will pick up minerals by dissolution, such as calcite, like we talked about earlier. When that water then enters the stream, it adds to the dissolved load. This isn't affected in any way by stream velocity because it doesn't settle. The only way that it leaves solution is by a change in chemistry. When organisms create these hard parts, like these shells that we've seen before, or maybe when it enters a inland sea when we get high evaporation. This picture down in the bottom right is of the Dead Sea, and maybe you've heard of it. It has an extremely high salt content, so high that it's very, very dense, and people float way up above the where you'd expect to very easily. Because the water is so dense, it makes your body much more buoyant because you're floating in something more dense than water and without salt in it. So that's another example of where you would find a change in chemistry to bring these minerals out of solution by evaporation.